This is my review for the adjustable queen bed. Now this is really cool because it has a foot raise and lower and also the back. And this is the remote here. And you can see that it has, you can do the up and down for the head, up and down for the foot, and you can do both at the same time. It also has the light here that you can to be able to see exactly what you're doing in the middle of the night. So let me show you how what this looks like here. So this is looking at it from the side, and you see how that comes up really nicely on the mattress. So you can have you can sit up, watch TV, read a book, whatever, and then that brings up your legs right there. This does have, and I've seen this vary with different beds, but this does have the bottom here to hold the mattress from falling down, to come down, so that does hold it there. Now this has the plug that goes over to an outlet. It has a pretty long cord, so you see that has extra there. It will go pretty far, so you probably won't even need an extension cord. So let me show you the side, the front here, how it looks. It's all with sturdy construction, hard metal, and it is definitely built to last. We've had this for some time, and it's been working great. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you with it down, and then I'm going to put the mattress on it. So well, first of all, let me show you if I'm going both at the same time here. We will start lowering it down. Here, see it's very quiet. It starts to go down there, and the foot's going down. And very quickly, it goes back to the flat position. All right, so it's all been doing it here from this remote. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the mattress on it and then show you what it looks like with the mattress up and down. All right, so there we are with the mattress. Notice I have a really nice Brooklyn bedding mattress on there, and it has the extra cushion there on top as well, the mattress topper. So even with that, you'll see how nice this works. So you can get a thinner mattress if you want. We like the nice thick mattress, and let me show you how this works. So now this is fully flat right there, and then I'm gonna hit the both button here, and you'll see it start to raise up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna move forward pretty quickly here. And that right now is the full upright position with the legs fully up as well. Now notice there's a little space down there. If I was to hop on there, it will actually go down. So I'm actually on here now. Notice it's all pushed in, and it's very comforting. So let me turn it back around this way. See here I'm nice and sitting in the mattress, and I can sit back and have the support of the bed. So this is very comfortable, and then you can adjust it with your remote however way you need. And if you don't want a thick mattress like this, you can actually do a thinner one, and it would stay down to the bottom as well. In fact, these have a little bit of Velcro down here, which right there you hear it. It actually sticks to the bottom of the mattress, and it helps it to stay down as well. But if you're on there and you're putting this up, it works really well. And when it's totally in the upright position too, notice how that is holding, that bar right here is holding this mattress from sliding out. So that is a nice safety feature of this as well. So I do recommend this. This is something that is really nice to have, and makes it really comfortable to be able to have in your bedroom. So I hope you enjoy this review.